text function. You want to learn how to extract informations from text. For an example now, your phone number 080 080 80 52 61 46. There are some folks that will just try to import phone number and automatically Excel will remove the first zero. And when you press enter, Excel removes the first zero. And this is what you have. And you might be wondering that why is it not adding the last zero? I know two methods to fix this, but I'll teach you one now, which is a function. And just say text, we have a text function tab, then the value, this value, you click on it. Then the format text. What format do you want it to be? It means so we want it to show the last zero, and in a phone number there are 12 zeros. There are 12 digits. So you just put 12. You just put 12 zeros in strings. You add them as strings. So 0 0 0 that's 0 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And you close brackets. Then okay, we have 11 numbers, 11 digits. So that's it. You have a 0 8 0. You have 0 0 80. So in case you want it to show the full number, and you can just do it. Another method is, let's move this. Okay, let's do it. Another method is you can click on the cell, come to general. Let's click the full option. Then come to custom. Then you can just press here. You can just type 0. 11 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Then click OK, and it automatically turns it to 0. So any option that works best for you, you can do. So that's just about text formatting.